Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your keyword research with Ahrefs beginner guide step by step clearly. To start securing your keyword research with Ahrefs, first, log in to your Ahrefs account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial to access the tools. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Keywords Explorer tool on the dashboard. Enter a relevant seed keyword into the search bar. Select the search engine you want to focus on, such as Google. Click on the search button to generate keyword ideas. Ahrefs will present a list of keywords related to your seed keyword. You can see a variety of metrics including search volume, keyword difficulty, and click-through rate. Take note of the questions section for additional keyword ideas. You can filter the results using various metrics like search volume and difficulty. Look for long-tail keywords, as they typically have less competition. Click on any keyword to view more detailed information. Analyze the SERP overview to see which websites currently rank for that keyword. Use the parent topic feature to identify broader topics related to your keywords. This will help you align your content strategy with user intent. Utilize the Keyword Ideas tab to explore even more related keywords. Make sure to check the Talking About section to get an idea of what users are discussing around that keyword. After gathering your keywords, create a list of the most relevant ones. Consider grouping similar keywords to streamline your content planning. Now, export your keyword list for future reference by clicking on the Export button. Choose your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. Once downloaded, store your list securely for easy access later. Finally, revisit Ahrefs periodically to update and refine your keyword strategy. Regularly checking for new keyword opportunities will help you stay ahead of the competition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.